Good evening, everyone. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, May the 27th, 2023, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. No additional. No, it's the additional of Friday edition. Friday, May the 26th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the zero Sudoku. And it's time now for the for the tectonic. Yeah. We have a tectonic to solve. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 6501. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. It's also indicated with 1 star. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, a double. Yeah, double printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, a single box, there, single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me check. Dual boxes in this puzzle. No dual boxes. No. I see here triple box. Here also a triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, 4 and a 5. Here we have a triple box. The 2 is already given, so the other two numbers should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. And the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have the 4 already here in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. Alright, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those two boxes should be the 1 and the 2 then. More quadra box. The quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Inside box is always a 5. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following step or strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. Let me see here. We need some space here. Space, man. All right. Okay. Yeah. The following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Only one, I see. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one in this puzzle? Yeah, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. Computer. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Then, yeah. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one here, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following, no, we have one shape left, I believe, the L shape rotated. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize? By the way, we have here 4, maximum 6. Maximum 6 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. This box can be 1 and more, so that box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, those two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. This box, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4 are missing in this area. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2, this box can be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Two numbers, wait, these two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final number in this quadra L-shaped box should be a 4. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, so have a great and fantastic Saturday. And see you tomorrow with a Samurai Sudoku with Sunday. Yes, it's tomorrow with Sunday. And in the evening, I will look for an old additional with extra puzzles left. So see you then. Bye bye for now.